Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. Nowadays we are hearing so many wonders in the maintenance cases. Here, an ex-husband, Supreme Court decision, ex-husband cannot be expected to maintain ex-wife as per his present status all through her life. By now you might have understood both of them are ex. Right? This is the case law. Justice B.V. Nagaratna and N.K. Singh of the Supreme Court bench. In the case of Rinku Baheti versus Sandesh Sharda. Actually, this is a transfer application 278 by 2023. Yesterday, they clearly stated that nowadays the tendency of the woman, they have been increasing very high, claiming equal status with that of husband. Right, before starting the video, I want to tell you about a month back or so in Karnataka High Court, a matter has come before Justice Kanagenti Lalita, wherein a woman claimed 6 lakhs per month. 6 lakhs per month for her maintenance. 6 or 60 lakhs, I don't remember correctly. But anyway, exorbitant amount. Then the judge was also surprised. What is this? Then she said, it depends on the status of my husband. Like that, so many instances are there. But here the point is, according to section 125 CRPC, presently 144 of the Bharatiya Nagarika Suraksha Samhita. A woman who is divorced or who is not having sufficient means to maintain herself, she can claim maintenance. This maintenance should not be very extraordinary. This should not be very meager. Should be sufficient to meet her needs. So the needs of an ordinary person. Of course, I don't say minimum 30,000, minimum 20,000. In Ongole courts we see 10,000. They order 10,000. But they are not, the other people, they are not able to pay. I have seen one instance where the husband, actually he was aggrieved by the attitude of the husband and wife, and the family court asked him to pay some 10 or 15,000 per month. Since he is a techie, then he resigned for the job. And he is doing agriculture in his village, Uppalapad or something, Kodebroodla. Then we asked him as to why he has done it. Then he said, why should I pay my money to her? I am earning for myself. Why should I? A arrogant woman. So coming back to our case. So it's a particular Rinku Baheti. Right? Actually, she claimed 100 crores from the husband. Right? So here he is Sandesh Sharda. Sandesh Sharda previously got married. He got his first wife. He has divorced to his first wife, I think on 31/7/2021 as per 9/11/2020. He got the marriage divorced on 9/11/20. Actually, 2 decades back his marriage took place. He has got 2 children also. He was a citizen of America. Very plum job, beautiful job he is doing there. But somehow there were differences between him and the former wife. Okay. He has given alimony maybe around 100 crores to his first wife because he is having a property of 5,000 crores. Right, okay. Then, now he married this second, that is Baheti, Rinku Baheti. He married her on 31/7/2021. Right. So, for some time they were happy, but slowly discords or disputes started between them. Why? Because this man, that is Sandesh. He is having contacts with the children, with his children, or with the children of first wife, for which this woman is not acceptable. Slowly, the disputes developed. Ultimately, it led to filing of complaints against him. Actually, she filed a complaint of routine 498A and other cases against him. It was registered as FIR number 586 by 2022, and he was when he came back from America on some work, he was detained in the airport itself. He was arrested on 25/12/2022 and he was kept in jail for about 1 month. Then only he was released on bail. So vexed with her attitude, on 1/8/2022 he filed a divorce petition, and now it is pending actually. So she wanted to get it transferred to some other place where she is living, and in that context, now they wanted to go for mutual consent. అసలు కథ ఇప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ అయింది. So she wanted 100 crores because previously he paid some amount to first wife. She wanted 100 crores out of the 500 crores earning capacity of the husband, which is abysmal, which is extraordinary, which an ordinary woman cannot claim. So Supreme Court, so he while discussing, the family court also did not agree to the petition. Anyway, Supreme Court called, of course, settled the issue with 12 crores. But here the observation is very hard observation that nowadays the women, they are claiming so much of maintenance amounts. So that is the important issue in this particular case. Okay. With this, I am stopping here. Thank you.